Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter U with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? Wow! I love you. You are precious. Try to watch the previous videos so that you can be able to understand this video. If you want to read and write in English language, you must first of all be able to pronounce the English alphabet. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The English alphabet comes in the small letter and the capital letter. The small letter U and the capital letter U is the 21st letter of the alphabet. There are two letters on the screen. The first is the capital letter U, and the second is the small letter U. The first trick you need to know is that all letters in English language, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter U is pronounced as U. 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 Another trick you need to know is to be able to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter U. When pronouncing the letter U, the lips is pushed forward to pronounce U sound. Another thing you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter U is ah, 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 ah. The mouth is open to produce the ah sound. So, between the letter U and the phonic sound of letter U, what is the difference in the placement of the mouth? Write your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to this channel. So, letter U sounds ah. Let's say it and recite it quickly. Letter U sounds ah. 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 Wow! Great job! Examples of English words that begins with letter U sounds ah are as in umbrella, as in ankle, as in underwear. Another trick you need to know is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a stroke, a curve, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter U, it is formed with a curve up and a stroke. The capital letter U is formed with a curve up. So, between the small letter U and the capital letter U, which of them has more lines? Drop your answer in the comment section. And don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.